Okay, there's a question from JBR Prasad on YouTube. Hi, sir. Can you please brief me about the process status transfer from H4 to H1b? Like if there's any premium processing available, or we need to go with the lottery system. It looks like, I think he's on H4 and trying to get into the H1b registration process.
So if you've never been on a H1 before, you have to apply in March. You'd have to register. Your employer will have to register for you. And it's a lottery system that they follow. So once you register, based on your passport number, hopefully they'll do it this way uh, the next year. But most probably based on the passport number, they will accept your registration and they will do the lottery. And if you get picked, then you can file for a change of status from a H4 to a H1. Premium processing is available for cap cases, but they keep changing it every year. So they make the announcement in the beginning of a cap season whether they will premium process these cases or not. So we have to wait and see.
Okay, so when the H1B season comes in, if you have an employer and they're looking out for an attorney service, Prashanti comes with, she's patiently answering these questions. And she comes with 20 plus years of experience with immigration law, practicing nationwide, supporting both employers and people like you. She can be reached at phone number area code 212-354-1010, and her email is Prashanti. Someone asked me the spelling last time. It's a H-I Prashanti at reddyesq.com, or you can visit them to fill a form, so to get a consultation and get your season lottery H1Bs filed with the upcoming season, reddyesq.com. Thanks, Prashanti, for answering that question.
Are you an IT consultant seeking a new opportunity? We offer job placement services for US citizens, green cards, EADs, and visa holders. We also sponsor various work visas like H1B, E3, TN, and green cards. 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Exceptional employee benefits. Highly rated by our employees. Global presence with 200 plus recruiters and direct clients. Connect with us. Call us on the number 833-412-8472 or mail us at support@higheritpeople.com or visit our website www.higheritpeople.com.